and also the picking them. We go forget summit. We go teach them on how them for approach the future. The summit therefore be 3 in the future. The summit therefore be 3 in 1 summit. We go forget 1 summit. We go forget National Women's Summit. National Women's Summit. We will get for embark on women empowerment. We will get for embark on women empowerment. And we also government. And we also forget National Youth Summit. And finally we forget
Slbc. The program is a podium. My name is Stephen.